In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on OpenSea. We'll start by finding the official site, then choose how to sign in, either with a crypto wallet or with an email, and finish on the Discover page so you can start exploring. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type OpenSea and look for the official result. Before clicking through, take a second to confirm the domain shows OpenSea. That quick check helps you avoid lookalike sites and keeps your account safe. When the homepage loads, you'll see an option to connect. Click Connect Wallet. A prompt labeled something like Connect with OpenSea will appear. This is simply OpenSea asking which method you want to use to sign in. If you already use a crypto wallet, choose your provider. MetaMask is a common option, and others are available too. Your wallet extension or mobile app will pop up asking you to review and approve the connection. Read the prompt, confirm the account you want to use, and approve. You're just authorizing a connection to your wallet, not sending funds. As a best practice, never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and only approve requests you recognize. If you prefer not to use a wallet yet, select the option to continue with email. Enter your email address and press enter. OpenSea will send a one-time verification message. Open your inbox, find the email, and click the verification link to complete sign-in. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or wait a moment and then resend from the site. This link verifies it's really you and activates your access. Once verification is complete, whether by wallet or email, you'll land on the Discover page. This is your hub to browse trending collections, search for creators, and filter by categories, chains, and price ranges. Get familiar with the layout, the search bar at the top, filters along the side, and the profile icon where you can later personalize your display name and avatar. Your account is already live, customization is optional, and can be done anytime. A few quick tips as you explore: bookmark OpenSea.io so you return to the official site every time. Keep your browser, wallet extension, and device software up to date. If you're new to NFTs, start by browsing and favoriting items to learn the landscape before making purchases. And when you're ready to transact, check collection verification badges and review any network fees so there are no surprises. That's it. You've created your OpenSea account and reached the Discover page. Enjoy exploring, stay safe, and happy collecting.